Hello there. So you want to know how you can move a EA game to another drive without reinstalling? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your file explorer, go to local disk C and go to program files. This is where you're going to find EA games. And as you can see, for me, it is empty because I've not downloaded or installed any folder or files or any games. So simply copy the game that you want to, not cut, copy, and then paste it to any other folder for backup. And once you have done that, what you need to do is simply go into your EA Games application right over here. Now, once you've opened your application, click on this top left icon right over here, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on settings, go to download, and change your install location to the new one. Right? And once you've done that, simply go ahead and close your EA, restart your PC, and go ahead and reopen it. And that should go ahead and solve your problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.